Hi guys. So today on the menu we have very delicious pork, mostly because it really does remain the most affordable meat in South Africa, and I think one of the most delicious but often cooked quite wrong because it's quite lean. We've also got a beautiful Classico olive oil and butterbean mash, lots of garlic. Now there is absolutely nothing wrong with making some potato mash, we all love it, but while we're all on sort of healthy things and just being a little bit different, I thought butterbean mash is so scrumptiously delicious, and you're having all that extra fibre, and you've got the olive oil, and it almost could be medicinal, it's so healthy. Okay, so that's on. Now I'm going to use our Classico. So we need a healthy dose of olive oil. In it goes. This is our lovely Classico extra virgin. Don't hold back. I'm going to pop some crushed garlic into the pan. Just when we hear that start to go. Now I've got some butter beans here. And there you go. So I give them a good stir, beautiful garlic smell. Then I'm going to add some Dijon mustard. And I'm just going to zest a lemon. I've got 2 cans of butter beans here, so 1 lemon should be ample. Zest. Then I'm going to have a little bit of half a lemon's worth of juice, I think. Nothing more than that, really. But it's up to you if you like really lemony things and knock yourselves out. Just stir. Divine. Now the thing about this is you can sort of have a chunky coarse mash, salt and pepper, obviously. A chunky sort of coarse mash, or you can sort of blitz it, which I think I'll do. And I'm going to put some parsley to make it slightly green and lovely. And I'm going to turn it off. As I say, you know, get a masher, or a wirra. Actually, before I do that, I should probably put the pan on for the pork chop. Let's do that just so it can heat up. Right, whirring away. Seriously hot here. Okay, and then obviously we need some more Classico extra virgin olive oil. This is like a double whammy. There we go. Just to loosen it up. That is done. We yet again employ our extra virgin. Why? Because actually the chop here in this instance is a lean pork chop. It doesn't need a lot of cooking. We want a beautiful olive oil flavour. So you could use the virgin, I suppose, but I'd use the extra virgin. Okay, I'm going to just season the chop with some pepper and some salt. Nothing dramatic, nothing difficult, nothing whatever, and it goes. Lovely. So while that's going to season the other side, I'm going to start thinking about my components here. Shake, there we are, better. Alright, let me not forget, because I tend to do that, the most delicious looking onions. Look here, Mark, can you see them? Deliciously hot business here. Mark's salivating, and I'm just proud of myself, really. Okay, so we've got some butterbean mash. So delicious. If you don't have a wirra, please just mash it. It really doesn't matter. In fact, you could leave them just whole if you wanted to. Do a bit of a... There we go. Our lovely pork chop. Don't overcook your pork chop. It's lean. So you want beautiful olive oil, fast, short, sharp, and furious. Fantastic pork chop. Maybe some... Oh, those are a bit hot. Maybe not. Like that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful onions. Oh, I do love a little roasted red onion. Roasted red onion. Some sage leaves. Oh, hold on, I've forgotten something. I'm running away with a little bit of greenery. And Mark, my darling, it's come to all my love.